Ugh. Alright, overalls are on. You know what that means. Another DIY. Another DIY. You're probably asking why. Because I love it. Hey, I'm Hallie and I make videos on lifestyle improvement, life hacks, and now my second DIY. Are we liking it? Are we liking it? I am. I'm not getting any sleep, but I'm having a lot of fun. DIY. Do it yourself. So I did my desk. I did my desk area. I like it so much. And I have a very short attention span. I work from home sometimes. I never felt motivated to sit at my desk until now. So in this video, I'm just going to tell you why. Why did I DIY my desk and how I did it. And why maybe you should too. Okay, so why? Why did I DIY my desk? I did it because I never wanted to sit there. I never wanted to sit in my desk area because it wasn't comfortable. It had like a whack chair, which I convinced myself was comfortable just because I had a little cushion on it, but it really wasn't comfortable at all. And when I got there, I would just sit at my desk and not really feel motivated. I preferred sitting on my couch, being on my laptop. And then when I was on my couch, then I would just naturally sit a little bit lower. And the next thing you knew, I was lying down. So I needed to sit up and be awake and function and do all those things. So that's what I decided. I was like, okay, how am I gonna make my desk area functional, inspiring, motivating? So I had to make it happen. Everything I changed in my desk area was to give me that, to motivate me, inspire me, to make me want to sit here. And now that I'm done, it's happening. It's happening. Where did it start? I still had some paint left over from the kitchen area, so the same paint that I used in the kitchen, I painted this. My desk was a kind of a yellowish color, just like the kitchen cabinets. It was like not white, but not yellow, that ugly in between. And it's just because it was old. It was an old desk that I got handed to me when I decided to live on my own. A family I knew was like, here's a desk. And I was like, hey, thanks. So I painted it white. I also have a very short attention span, so I did a fast job. It wasn't a great, it's not a great job, it's not a perfect job, but it's enough to make me happy. Finished painting it. So after I did the desk, then I did the wallpaper. I think I might have done something right without measuring. I already love it. The wallpaper. I know sometimes there's a negative connotation towards wallpaper, but now in 2020 it's called just peel and stick. So it literally goes on like a sticker, off like a sticker. You can change. I know there's people that change their wallpaper every season depending on the year, how they feel. It's affordable and it's easy and it's fun when you have patience. So the way I came about choosing my wallpaper was I wanted it to complement and not distract me. So I went, at first I was going for more of an abstract look, kind of like white with abstract print, kind of just complementing the vibe I'm in, because I'm very boho chic vibe, modern boho chic vibe. But then when I came across this one on Amazon, I was like, oh, there's words, what does it say? One time I went in a bathroom and I remember using the bathroom and just right when you sit down, you just see words and you start reading it and you just like, wait. And the next thing you know, you're in the bathroom for 10 minutes. You're like, why? Oh, I was just reading the wall. So that reminded me, as soon as I went on Amazon and saw these words, I was like, oh, yes. So I had to have it. I was like, the two options was gold writing with gold with white background or black with white background. I chose black just because I wanted to keep it very simple, just black and white, and I love it. So it's not like full phrases, a full novel, it's just little phrases. So when I find myself just sitting at my desk, you know how you do, you're just gazing, you'll sit there and all of a sudden you'll just be staring at the wall. But now the wall says something on it. The wall says things like, aww, never stop learning, good vibes only. Look, create your own sunshine, dream big, life is a journey. Never stop learning. Love it, love it. So just knowing that when I'm staring at the wall, I'm actually gonna read something that's gonna motivate me. Like, yes, good vibes only. Let's keep going. Keep getting to work. I was kind of nervous because I was like, oh my goodness, I still don't know how, even though I did my kitchen, I'm still not very good at making a straight line. And I was afraid the words were gonna be like this, go at an angle. The sentences just start going down or weird or up and down. But as you can see, it's a straight line. I love it. So since they're phrases, I was able to just continue. So I got 3 rolls and I'm so glad. I literally have 3 rolls and I think all that's left is this much. That's all that's left. All right, we have 1, 2, on row 3. It's going really well. Like way better than when I did my other wall when I first moved in. I mean, I guess that's how it works. When you do things more than once, you should be better the second time. I am obsessed with this wallpaper. I love it. Never stop learning. Good vibes only. I love it so much. We don't need no tools because we use our own hands. Works pretty good. Looking good, looking good. Aunt says, love what you do. Amen. Let's see, I started around 1, and then I went to teach class, and then I did it again from like 8 to midnight. It took me about 8 hours. 8 hours. I was so tired. There were times when I did take a break, and I would just sit there and just be like, and then I would look at the wall, and then I would read a quote on the wall, and I'd be like, keep going, keep going. So that's what I did. I had this thing where I don't finish things, and I was gonna finish. So I'm currently sitting here tired. I'm so tired. I'm almost done. But I feel like I've been saying I'm almost done for the past 3 hours. Like, am I ever gonna be done? I'm so tired. So I've been doing it for like 6 hours. I just have to do, I don't even want to get up. Oh, I just want to do this little area over here. I love DIYs. I love this whole DIY situation, but the thing that stresses me out is everything is a mess in the process. Like, for some reason you think the only things you moved are the things that are in the way, but no, like, for some reason my entire living room looks like I'm moving in or moving out or something. It's embarrassing. I shouldn't be showing you this. Why? Why? Because I'm doing wallpaper. The other side of the room is a hurricane. Like, how is that possible? It was fine just yesterday before I started the wallpaper. But as soon as I started the wallpaper, this happened at the same time. Why? Why? I'm tired. Ugh. One more little piece of the wall. One more piece. Finished. So it's about midnight. I'm so tired. I did it. It is 12:14 in the morning. I have to be up at 4. Oh, I did the chair. The chair I'm sitting on is so comfortable. I love this chair. I got it on Amazon. At first, I was one of those people that were like, why is this chair $100? I mean, it was $99, but still, that's too much for a chair. Like, but then I put it together and I sat on it and I was like, yes, this feels like a million bucks. I'm okay with it. This is the box that it came in, this weird shop. This is basically just this size because of the cushion, and then I put the legs, I literally just screwed the legs in. It's 2 pieces, and then that's it. So I'll show you right now. But first, let me show you the old chair. This was my old desk chair. So sad, right? So pathetic. I mean, I didn't mind this little cushion thing, which I'm probably gonna throw away, but it feels like a waste, but whatever. I think I used this longer than I needed to. So this was my old desk chair. Womp womp. And this, move out of the way, don't even get in the same frame. This is my new desk chair that I put together. Yeah. Look at that. Like, this is my new desk chair. I'm gonna actually do work at my desk. It's worth every penny. So do it. I was gonna cheap out and kind of do like a velvet more stool thing because I felt like it was easier to push under the desk and not take up room. But this chair is everything. I want to work on my laptop on this chair. I want to eat my lunch in this chair. I just want to sit, take a nap in this chair. I love this chair. And I chose this color because I kind of have like carpet in my living room and it kind of has an accent of a dark teal. So this complements that, just add a pop of color. I'm not big on color, but I really like this color. Okay, so desk painted, wallpaper, chair made, did it by myself. Chair is not going to break. It's really easy to put together. Then decor. So the decor I did was just very simple. I only wanted things at my desk that were functional and not just cute. So whether it be the basket on top, which carries my mail, whether it be the frame that's in the middle that's motivating, another thing that's inspiring, whether it be a plant, because I just like things that make me feel like the outside. Outside makes me feel alive and awake. So it's a faux plant. Don't gotta worry about watering that. The two baskets that I have, one kind of just has all my stuff, all the choreo and things I make up for the fitness classes that I teach. The other one just like electronical type of stuff, so whether it be chargers and things like that. I wanted to cover the modem. The modem, like nobody wants to see that. Nobody wants to see that. So modem is just covered with this, just my planner, something that I need at my desk. I was gonna pay $20 for one of those binder holders, which looks like they only cost 99 cents or $5. I don't know why they cost almost $30. And I wasn't being cheap. I just was like, it's not worth all that. So I just sat there and was like, how do I cover it? And I was looking through my planner and I literally just put my planner up and I was like, genius. So that's what it does now. It just hangs out there covering the modem and the power cord as well. What else on decor? So I did that, and up there is, right behind me is my journal, which would be, it's my work journal. So whether it be ideas or meetings or things that I have to take care of, I put in there. And then I have 3 little journals, one's spiritual, one's fitness, one's budget. Because sometimes we feel like if we have money, you don't have to budget. That's a lie. Like, no matter how much money you have, you should budget. You should know how you're spending your money. You don't want to just throw it away. If anything, the more money you have, the more you should be able to give to somebody else or give to a charity or be out of debt and not have any credit cards that you're trying to pay off. So I get that from my dad. Shout outs to my dad on why I'm good on budgeting. Hey, Dad. I have my journal, my daily journal on there. Just things that I need to use all the time when I'm sitting at my desk. Then behind me, this right here. My filing cabinet prevents me from just having papers all over my desk. Nobody wants to sit at their desk where there's a whole bunch of papers all over the place. So whether it be my mail that's in the basket or all the papers that go in that. Right now it's empty because I just bought it, but you know how we do. Once we buy something, it's empty, and then 5 days later it's full and we need another one. So I like it because it's actually really big, and I think it has like 20 slots for it. So I put my bills in there, things I pay off, tax forms, all that jazz. Little paper clips and paper holders, whatever. I was gonna do more of a rose gold black and white theme, but then rose gold felt too pink to me, and I'm not that girly. So I just wanted to do more black, white, and gold, and there's a little bit of rose gold accent. So those are rose gold. Got those from Target. Another thing, I have a box, but it has a theme. It has a quote. It has something inspiring. It says, live, love, laugh. Live to the fullest, laugh to the fullest, and love to the fullest. So I just put random things in there, just things that were, if it would be on my desk, I can just put in that little box, and the desk area is clean. This I love. So when I first moved back to San Diego, or I was in the process of moving back to San Diego, the transition was interesting. Struggles, ups and downs, all that stuff. I needed something to hold on to, something motivated. So this jar is a gratitude jar, just things that I'm thankful for. You put the date on it, like I'm thankful, whether it be really big or really small. So it'd be as little as in, I found $20 in my pocket. Ooh, thank you, Jesus. You know what I mean? And if I really needed that $20. Or as big as, I just booked an audition, I just booked a gig. Thank you, Jesus. Put the date on it. Then at the end of the year, I was supposed to look at all the things, but I haven't done that yet. So in 2020, I'm going to try to do better at that and then be able to look at past years all the way up to this year. So I definitely recommend a gratitude jar. The one I got was just from Michael's. It has a little slit. You just put it in there. It's kind of like a penny jar. I don't know if you could think about that. You just write it on a Post-it, put what happened in one sentence, the date on the back, fold it, put it in there. And at the end of the year, you can be like, a lot happened. So I'm obsessed with this. It's pink. It doesn't really go with the theme, but whatever. Maybe I'll get some black. Ooh, black Post-its with a little gold writing. Yes. I'm gonna work on that. And then I love this candle so much. Oh, this candle smells so good. This is Day at the Spa from the K Price collection. I love just supporting smaller businesses or privately owned businesses compared to getting things from Michael's or Target. I love just supporting people in their dreams. So I found this girl online. It's a luxury soy candle. Love this candle. Smells so good. I don't even know how to I'm not very good at describing smells, but it smells like soap, refreshness, cleanness, and soothingness. That's probably the worst description ever. I don't know, it just smells so good. You have to buy it. And I was nervous to buy a candle without smelling it, but I reached out to her. She was so kind. I reached out to her and just like, any of yours that you recommend, I've just heard great things. And she was so kind and responsive. So I got the Day at the Spa, and I also got the Namaste one and a smaller one. They literally smell delicious. I'm just gonna keep smelling this candle. Just close your eyes, smell this candle. You at the spa, you're at your desk, and it's like, get back to work. And what's great about supporting businesses, everything's just so personable. Her candles came with a thank you note, and it's literally, it says your name and just, thanks so much for your support. You made some great choices. I hope you love it. Let me know what you think. I'm gonna probably contact her and say thank you. Like, I think it's amazing. So it's actually like a rose gold type of feel. So I was like, girl, candle on top, and it goes. Yes. So I think that's it. Everything that I got for my desk has a purpose, has a reason, and there's no extra there. I mean, obviously you can add another trinket here and a trinket there, but when you add trinkets and stuff like that, for what? It's just going to take up space, and you just want things to be spacious and clean and neat and everything to have a home and a purpose. So that's it. My desk. If you have any questions about something I got, if you want me to post the Amazon link to the chair, that is heaven. But I love this chair. Let me know in the comments below if you want to redo your desk, if you have any questions, if you now feel inspired to upgrade your desk area. Comment below. Let's hang out. Let's talk. Make sure you hit the bell and subscribe, because I think my bathroom's next. I know my bathroom was supposed to be next, but I needed to do this first because I needed to get to work. And now I think I'm ready to do my bathroom. You want to join the journey? I think it's happening next week. I really want to do the floor. The floor. I just need to have pretty floor, you know? Until the next DIY, I think I only got one more left. Ooh, maybe two more left. I might want to do my living room. Peace, love, and balance. And DIY. Yes. Oh, there goes my hat.